My name is Jerry Orloski. I'm the manager here at Orloski's Car Wash and Lube Shop on Monday Street in Wilkes Barre. So what makes Orloski so special? I think, honestly, our staff. We have a great staff that we put together here. I'm very proud of it. Everybody gets along great. They're here to do a good job. When they show up to work, they're enthusiastic about work. When I ask them to do something, they're enthusiastic about doing it. We're friends when we're here. We're friends outside of work. It's a connection here, and it kind of goes on through the years. Employees that were here ask about the employees that were here when they were here. If you worked here at Orloski's, you understand it, and even the people that have left are looking at the employees that we have here now, and they know exactly what they're doing and what kind of people they are, because that's the kind of people that we hire. I really do think, above all, that is what sets us apart, is the staff that we have here.